welcome back to the channel. I started a bit later today. By the time I got hooked up to the trailer, it was daylight. So yeah, I thought to do a vlog today. I thought I'd record. So yeah, going over to Manchester this morning. I'm going to charge my battery because again I wasn't planning to record today. So yeah, I'm on my way to Manchester, setting off now. I'll catch up when I get there, and hopefully the battery is partly charged. Right, speak to you in a bit. Right guys, welcome back. We are now in the centre of Manchester, or some sort of ring road internally. So yeah, we're going to a, I don't know what it is actually, Rayburn Trading. I'm pretty sure it'll be like a wholesaler, a local wholesaler. I'm not sure if it's going to be tight or not. On the Google Maps, there is about 5 or 6 trucks in there. So maybe it will, maybe it won't. We'll have to find out. My wrist is so it's hurting. Just when it gets to a certain angle. Sometimes when you're steering, sometimes when
warning, 12-foot 5 height restriction in half, a mile on Scotland Bridge.
Yeah, sometimes when it's just doing like straps up or lifting or something. Turn right in a bit. It's looking like it's going to be a bit of a tight entry into it. We're 800 yards away. Like I said, I've zeroed in on the Google Maps to take me into what looks like the yard. I don't think there's any other
Warning,
entrance.
12-foot 5 height restriction in a quarter of a mile on Scotland Bridge.
All over the place. Rayburn Trading. Right, okay, reception that way, straight on, showroom straight on, deliveries right. As you know, I do appreciate a good sign. Oh yeah, I've been here with one of my first ever days, before I even went mentoring. So when I was doing my reverse training, I literally went as a passenger. I wasn't even driving at that stage. I had my licence, but wasn't cleared to drive. Yeah, it was a bit awkward, this one. Yeah, so you park up here on the left, then it's a very awkward manoeuvre depending on what bay you're on. So looks like I'm quite easy. It's quite easy to get on one of these. Ah, my wrist. Yeah, so just go over here, straighten it up. Let's get on one of the end bays. Put it next to that truck. These waiting bays are quite tight actually. Give the driver as much room as I can for me to get in and out. That'll do. Right, high vis on, and I'll go and see what I'm doing. My wrist has definitely gone a lot worse. I'll have to get like some sort of strap to keep it from bending. Awful business. Right, won't be long. Yeah, so I've dropped off the paperwork now. Yeah, it's nice to come back here because I know it was very daunting for me to come here, seeing Ian, my mentor, my first mentor, actually turning around in this yard and just manoeuvring it in such a way that I thought, I'm never going to be able to do that. I'm never going to be able to reverse the way he has just then. So be nice to get this boxed off. I never know I wanted to get this boxed off, but yeah, I think it'll it doesn't look that hard. You know, I've been to different tighter yards, so yeah, it'd be nice to a bit bright in this light, but yeah, it's good to come back. So I dropped the paperwork off. It's only about 9:30 now. We're booked in officially at 11. So he said I might have to wait. If they can squeeze me in a bit earlier, they will do. So I've just unstrapped the load. I've got the doors pinned back. So once they give me a green light, I can just, just do the manoeuvre, get it backed onto a bay. Otherwise, you have to do the manoeuvre, block the middle of the yard, open your doors, unstrap. So yeah, it's easy just to get it done when you can. I'm not travelling far. The load is a heavy load. It's not going to be falling out. It's all secure. But yeah, so I will do a bit of editing now from my previous video, and hopefully I'm not too long in this yard. Speak to you in a bit. It's only been 2 hours. So 2 hours 7 minutes. So we are now going on to a bay. Yeah, almost forgot the back doors were open. Yeah, once that one there. Just going to swing it right round, and then hopefully it will go straight in. just going to hand the keys in and I'll be back in a while. Right, so bit of a wait there, to be honest. It was about 40 minutes. Yeah, so I'll just pull off the base.
Warning, 12.5 height restriction in half. A mile on Scotland Bridge.
Okay, calm down. Right, so there's been a bit of an issue. The Lipton iced tea has been delivered, has been invoiced and delivered in a 24 pack, but they're saying they ordered it in a 12 pack, so they've refused 2 pallets, so I can't go to my next job now. I need to go back to base with this. I've registered it with customer service, I've registered it with planning team and done all the necessary paperwork. So yeah, I can't proceed. I mean, I'm only going to Widnes anyway, so it's not massively out my way to go back to base. I just need to dump this trailer and get a new empty trailer and then carry on. I might as well have my dinner while I'm at base. Just worked out well for me. So yeah, we'll have some dinner while I'm there. Yeah, I did take a 15-minute break just while I was waiting around there, just so I could get the 15-minute out the way. So I'll have a 30-minute break back at base. Once I drop this off, I'll connect up to the empty trailer so no one else takes it, and then yeah, we'll have some lunch. But yeah, I will catch up with you when I'm back at base. Right, so we're back at base. Just queuing to actually get into the depot. Coming out. Yeah, so ideally I want to keep this trailer, so I'm going to ask groupage just to take these 2 pallets off. They keep them in a shed for when they're going back. There's a truck already in the shed. Might be a while. Might be just easier parking it up, finding an empty one. That goes that plan. Right, let's get this parked up then. Spots down here first. Truck coming, truck coming. Space over there, I suppose. No, someone's just getting in that one. I'll have to drive down this first bit. Space here, I can back it into here. Yeah, literally no idea how long he's going to be. Not much space in this with this van here, so it's going to be a bit of a longer angle, if that makes sense. Right on lockdown. Right, welcome back. I have had my lunch. And before that, I got into the shed straight away. The guy who was in there was just pulling out, so by the time I handed my paperwork in, he just said, "I'll come and unload you now." So I've kept the same trailer, which is good. So yeah, we are just going in to Widnes now. That trailer in front, I'm pretty sure that's not the correct way to display your reg. Just writing it in the dirt. So we're pretty lucky he's not been pulled from wherever he's drove from. Delayed day today, just with that drop in Manchester, and then refusing two pallets. Yeah, it's just a really dragged the day out really. I've literally done one drop. It's literally 3 o'clock now. Started at 7:30 today. So just ridiculous. But it is what it is. Nothing I could have done to speed it up. Yeah, the products were wrong. Kept me waiting until the loading time. So I was there way earlier. Again, it's something that I can't control, so yeah, nothing I get stressed about really. Nothing worth getting stressed over anyway. My planner's been ringing me, just checking where I'm up to. I took a 30-minute break to the base. Wasn't really anything exciting to eat, so I just had a tray chips, put a bit of salt and pepper on. I think it was chicken chasseur, but not the type of chicken chasseur that I liked. So. One moment. We are strapped. We are good to go. Yeah, so just double checking because I was a bit concerned about the times. Planner's ringing back. Sorry. So yeah, they're going to be open as late as we can. Well, it's going to be open within reason. I've said if it gets to 6 o'clock, and he said yeah, no problem, come back. So, but sometimes they do close early-ish, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So yeah, we are good for another load. So yeah, anyway, we'll head back to base and speak to you in a bit. So yeah, here we are back at base again. Yeah, there's no traffic. It was just a slow. It's kind of slow with the volume of traffic, but that didn't make sense at all. It was kind of slow, but it was at my speed. You know what I mean? There's no cars weren't going 70; they were all going 60. So they were just about overtaking me. So I was going as fast as I can, and they were down to my speed basically. So a lot of traffic just moving at the same pace. Thanks, that makes sense. We'll skip over that. Right, let's get this parked up. Well, it just parks right there. Right, so I'm hoping there's a space over here. We've got a hunt for a empty trailer. Guys, just pointing out there's a space over here. Right, that is all parked up. I'm going to disconnect, but I need 12 more straps. I'm going to leave it there, I think. Everything else is going to be in darkness, and it's going to be the exact same as what I've just done, and then back here. So I don't want to bore anyone. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please subscribe, please like, give me a comment, try and reply to everyone. But yeah, speak to you on the next one.